it.
Helios, I brought candy.
Is that real candy? We only accept real candy for the crypto candy jar.
Yes, it's real. Check.
Very good, Helios. You have brought real candy.
Yay, add it to the jar.
First, tell me your crypto code.
My what?
Your crypto code, the number we will use to identify your piece. This is crypto rule number 3. Each piece of crypto candy has its own crypto code.
Oh, okay. 1, 2, 3.
Shh!
What?
Don't yell the code.
Why?
Anyone who knows the crypto code can take the crypto piece. You must keep it secret. Whisper the code to me. That's a very unique code. Your crypto candy is now safe inside the jar.
Wow, yeah, okay. Now I can take a piece. Give me that blue one.
Okay, what's the code for that piece?
I don't know.
Then I cannot give it to you.
But I put a piece in. It's right in there.
But you can only take a crypto piece out if you know its crypto code.
But that's not what you said. Rule 1, give a piece, take a piece.
But there's also rule number 3. You must know the crypto code.
Rats. This is silly.
This is security, Helios. Crypto rules keep the candy safe.
I don't like crypto candy.